Hey, hi everyone. Thank you so very much for the amazing response for the first episode of season 4 of the Daily Self-Love podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, back again with next episode. Just wrapped up today's meeting, and while recording for this particular episode, I was thinking of why not to just share with you all how to build limitless confidence and how to get limitless confidence from within, rather, right? And when I ever felt about having that confidence, I think I always have that that inner confidence, and that confidence for me comes from one clear source, and that source is the clarity of what I want in my life, clarity of how I want something in my life. If you have the clarity of direction, if you have the clarity of what to do, how to do, all those things are clear in your head, specifically why to do something, what and how you can still navigate out. If you are not clear on that, it's okay. But then if you are clear on why you should be doing something, that's the first key step towards clarity. That's the first key step of doing something and of navigating how to do it. But that why and that clarity of why rather gives you the confidence that yes, I can pull it up. I can take that project, I can take that assignment, and I can do it. I can perform to the best of my abilities. Confidence shakes when you have a fear of unknown, fear of uncertainty, fear of if I can pull it up, if I can take this assignment, and if I can give my best. Of course you can give your best, and even if not, it's okay. The very important aspect for you to have that confidence is one, the clarity. Second, the acceptance that I'm not perfect. I'm a human being and I have to try, and I will try. Right? So for this episode, I would just leave you with this one thought to reflect upon. How are you going to build your inner confidence? And if ever you are facing that fear, how you are ever going to overcome that? So with this, let me just sign up for today, and I'll see you in the next episode with a fresh topic, with a fresh aspect to discuss upon. Till next time, stay blessed, stay happy, stay self-loved.